Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can record your screen using PowerPoint. So we're going to open the desktop version of PowerPoint and we'll choose a presentation. I'm just going to go for a blank one for this. And now on your toolbar, if you go to Insert, and if you scan along, you can now see screen recording. This is available in the latest version of PowerPoint on the Slim clients. You may have this at home. It's not available on the online version. So you would have to come into college or use your computer at home with the desktop version to get this. So click on Screen Recording, and then you get a simple menu that allows you to record. The first thing you'll see is a little cross as your cursor. So you need to select the area of screen that you want to record. So you can either select a box, a certain area of your screen, or like I'm going to do, I'm going to stretch it out and cover my whole screen. So then as soon as I do that, my area is set. I can click that if I want to change the area. Make sure that audio is checked too, so that it records that, and that my pointer is recorded. I can change that if I want to too. So then I just simply press record, and that will start recording my screen. So not just my PowerPoint, but anything that I'm doing now on the screen is being recorded into a little video. So you can see I can search for the news, and I can be talking through what I'm doing, and I need to click on this website and I can show them. And as you see, as I click, it puts a little circle on it. So it's a politics. Oh God, how depressing is that image? Yes, so you can make a little video saying exactly what you're doing on the screen, either on the internet, within your PowerPoint. Perhaps you've done a presentation elsewhere, you want to open up and record it. Record anything you want to using this screen. And then once you've done that, when you're happy with it, you just push your cursor to the top and your little menu bar appears again. You can pause it if you just want to take a breather, or you can stop it, and that will capture your video there on your PowerPoint thing. But it's not only on your PowerPoint. You can then right click on this and you can save this media into your files, and then you could upload it to OneDrive so that you could share it with your students, or you could upload it to YouTube or put a link to it on Moodle. So again, you can share it with your students in a different way. So that's just saving it simply as a file. Now, the other thing that you can do, and this really is a very simple facility here, so there's no high powered editing here, but what you can do is you can get some very basic styles which just frames it. You may or may not want those, and then you can also trim it, which is useful. So if you didn't quite start when you wanted to, or you went on a bit too long, you can literally just snip the beginning and the end of the video within the program, and then click OK, and that's saved. And then do what you want with the video. So that is how to do a screencast using PowerPoint. I hope that was useful. I've done another video to show you how to use Screencast-O-Matic as well, and also there are other programs out there that you can have a look at.